Hello guys! Welcome to our next video, and on this video I am going to teach you kung paano mag-transcribe using YouTube. Alam niyo ba yon? Actually, this is very cool. And we can use a transcription directly on YouTube. So paano? Let's go ahead and choose our example video kanina, which is Oprah. Bago yata to. O ito
I
yon.
always understood that there really was no
Okay.
difference.
So yan. This one is a random video that I pulled up from YouTube. So let's say, for example, your client sent you a YouTube link and they want you to transcribe what are given on the YouTube video. Did you know that you can do that directly on YouTube? Yeah. Usually ginagawa nila yung transcription para they can also make subtitle na maayos kasi if YouTube gives the subtitle, maraming error. So mas maganda yung ikaw mismo. So that's what the clients are doing. And do you know how you can do it in like as simple as 1 to 2 minutes? You know how? Okay, I'll show you. This is very cool. Excuse my tricycle. Tricycle background. Okay. So this is the video. Punta ka lang dun so may like, dislike, share button, merong whatever that is, save, and then on the three dots, click on open transcript. And that is where the magic begins. Let's play it again.
I always understood that there really was no difference between me and the audience. At times, I might have had better shoes,
Cool?
but at
Cool?
the core of what really matters, that we are the same. And you know how I know that? Because all of us are seeking the same.
So, what you will do now is you can actually, kung ayaw mo nang may timestamp, so good yan na may timestamp, no? Kung ayaw mo niyan and gusto mo lang yung transcript lang, let's say that the client just said, don't include the timestamp anymore. You can copy everything. And you already have it. Dun, 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 dun. Tapos, lagay mo na lang siya sa Word. Click on New. Ano nangyari? Don't save. Basta, yon, you get the drill. Punta ka lang sa Microsoft Word tapos i-paste mo yon or sa notepad. And then you can also, actually this is pretty much accurate. Pero wag ka lang din pakakasiguro, baka lang may mga mali dun sa sa transcription and you can just go ahead and edit. But this pretty much saves all of your time. Now, if you will be questioning me, Coach, meron naman pala, nasa YouTube naman pala, 'di ba? Bakit pa nag-hire ng mga transcriptionist yung mga client kung meron naman? The big answer is they don't know. They don't know na meron palang pag inopen mo pala yung 3 bars and you can definitely see the transcript. You know what I mean? Now, there are cases that a YouTube video doesn't have this. Okay? Pero 80 to 90% of the time, meron siyang transcript. Just in case wala, you have the alternative. Y2Mate, download this video. Tapos, download it as an audio file or as a video file and use another software, Kemi.com, like the machine transcript that we have or other stuff to transcribe it for you and then just make some little polishing and editing. How cool is that? Right? Na-enjoy mo ba yan? Ngayon mo lang ba nakita na merong, because not everyone knows this. So, that's a trick. If you didn't know this before, well done and pat yourself on the back because you officially know where to find the transcript sa mga YouTube videos, and you can definitely charge your client for not knowing it. Walang masama doon, ha? Simply because you know it eh. You know where to, kumbaga, there was a story na parang ang daming binayaran para, I don't know specifically, I forgot specifically, parang merong isang kailangang matibag or magawa or something like that. Tapos they hired a lot of people, so many people na hindi nila natapos yung task. And there was one guy, finally, that they hired, na sabi na highly recommended na, oh, magaling to, ganyan. So, ang ginawa niya lang ay, parang meron lang siyang pinukpok somewhere. It's just a 5-second job. So, pinukpok niya lang, meron siyang hammer na dala, he pokpok something, and then it's done. Parang ganon. So, and he charged a lot of money for that. So some people say, that's all you did. Bakit, why do you charge so high? Kasi yun lang naman literally yung ginawa mo. You know what he said? Because I know exactly where to do it. He knows the job. Okay? So, let's say, for example, merong ganyan, never hesitate to charge because this is a skill. This is something that you know the other people don't know. And by all means, charge for it kasi you learned this yourself. Okay, it's so easy, right? Pero before this, hindi mo alam kung nasaan, 'di ba? So never hesitate. If you would like to charge a little bit smaller, like a small amount, it's up to you. It's totally up to you. But as your coach, as your mentor, I want you to know that whatever skills that you are learning on this course from me, dati hindi mo siya alam, di ba? But now you know it because you are already aware. Someone taught you how to do it, but before you have no idea how to do it as well. So now that you have all the skills, you learned a lot. And if you do, maraming salamat. Please let me know if you did. I would appreciate an email. Just let me know if you're doing well right after this course. Don't hesitate to charge people because that's a learned skill that you know and not other people know. Okay? So I'll see you on the next video.